Hi everyone, I'm Ala Shapir and this is the Spa Runner channel. And today I have something really exciting to share with you. I tried Qure Micro-Infusion device and I'm very excited to share with you my experience, how to use the system and the benefits of the system. I've been using this product for the past few weeks and I can't wait to share my thoughts with you. So if you're interested in skincare and beauty, stick around. Alright, let's start with the basics. The Qure Micro-Infusion device is a handheld gadget designed to enhance your skincare routine. It uses microneedling technology to deliver serums deeper into the skin. The idea is that by creating tiny channels in the skin, the active ingredients in the serums can penetrate more effectively, leading to better results. The system is compact, portable, and comes with two different serums and lasts 3 months. I will leave a link through which you can purchase this system in the description and first comment. Now let's talk about the unboxing experience. When I first received the Qure Micro-Infusion system, I was impressed with the packaging. It felt premium and included everything you need to get started. The device itself, 6 serums, 5 extra disposable tips, and a headband. Let's talk about the device. It consists of 0.5mm 24-karat gold-plated microneedles, 20 pieces surgical grade stainless steel needles, and 5ml capacity. The device tricks your skin into activating your body's natural healing process. It creates invisible channels in the top layer of skin, then infuses ingredients into your skin through the accelerate absorption and results. There are 3 of each serums included: rejuvenating serum, which is great for dark spots and uneven skin tone, and hydra-soothing serum for fine lines and wrinkles. So the rejuvenating serum will brighten discoloration, fade dark spots, and will promote even skin tone. The main ingredients are niacinamide and tranexamic acid. The hydra-soothing serum will reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, will help with redness, and will boost hydration. The main ingredients are beta-glucan, niacinamide, and triapeptide 1 peptide. Word of caution: before you use it, if you have any skin conditions, consult your dermatologist. Also, be careful if you have metal allergies. Always perform a patch test on your area of your skin prior to using the device. Also, do not use topical retinoids at least for a day before the treatment. Don't expose yourself to too much sun for a few days before the treatment, and if you have active blemishes, do not stamp right on top of them. This system is to be used every 2 weeks and performed at night. Use 1 serum ampule and new needle head per treatment. We need to start with a clean skin. I use Dr. Babu High Oil System to cleanse my face. I love this cleanser and you can purchase it through the link in the description and in the first comment. We need to double cleanse to make sure the skin is super clean. Flip the cap to open and break the seal. Bend the silver seal away from the serum vial and remove. Twist open the lid of the micro-infusion device, pour serum into the device chamber, then secure the lid back on. Leave the device upside down for 1 to 2 minutes. Start micro-infusing. Start at the center of the face, work your way outward to cover the full face. Start with 50% overlap and repeat 2 to 3 passes for the best results. Take leftover serum and pat into your skin and neck and leave on overnight. The treatment can be done around the eyes and the neck area. Once treatment is done, place the lid back on the device and twist off the needle head to safely dispose. Open new sterile needle head and put on the device ready for a new treatment. Post-treatment precautions: skip washing after the treatment, avoid makeup for minimum 24 hours, avoid sun exposure for 24 to 48 hours after treatment, make sure to wear SPF outside. I'm currently using SkinCeutical SPF, which I recommend. Avoid applying skincare products containing fragrances, alpha and beta hydroxy acids, retinol, and vitamin C for 2 to 3 days post-treatment, as it may cause irritation. Avoid any exfoliation. So what were the results? The first results you start to see instantly with a strong radiance, softer lines, and overall healthy, fresh complexion. The more treatments you perform, the more outstanding skin benefits you'll receive. The results should last 3 to 4 months. This fast and easy home facial is perfect before a big event when you need to boost your skin's complexion quickly. Now let's break down the pros and cons of the Qure Micro-Infusion device. It's easy to use. The device is user-friendly even for beginners. It's customizable. Different serums can treat different conditions. You can even mix the serums. I saw noticeable results in skin texture and hydration. And cons, I can't think of any. Maybe just finding the time, but come on, we need to take care of our skin. In conclusion, I really like Qure Micro-Infusion device. It has become a valuable addition to my skincare routine. If you're looking for a way to enhance your serums and improve your skin's overall appearance, this might be worth considering. However, I recommend doing your research and maybe consulting with a dermatologist if you are unsure about microneedling or how it might affect your skin. If you are interested to purchase this system, you can do so through the link I will leave in the comments and in the description. Thanks so much for watching my honest review. If you have tried the Qure Micro-Infusion device or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and skincare tips. Until next time, take care of your skin and I'll see you soon.